Lenovo 130S 11.6 inches HD laptop. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. It's great. It's fast, it doesn't overheat, the battery capacity is up to standards. I've spent all day testing the limits. The only thing is, I would recommend bringing your own terabyte drive, and insert a micro/regular SD card. It has approximately 56 gigs of space to hold items. I completely recommend this laptop, for quick and easy access to things you need done. This is a really nice little machine. I was able to set it up and use it quickly. One recommendation I have is to consider taking the operating system out of S mode if you want to install apps or have more control. It does give you this option, but you'd need to consider a security program in this case. It's extremely lightweight, fast and just a nice reliable machine. I needed a backup for my main system that runs Windows 10. First thing I did was dump Windows 10s and added one 28 gig micro SD card. Not the fastest tool on the planet, but it does everything I need. Would be great for school or a beginner. Key features. The Intel Celeron N4000 processor 1.10 GHz up to 2.60 GHz, this entry-level dual-core processor for general email, internet and productivity tasks. 4 GB system memory for basic multitasking, adequate high-bandwidth RAM to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. 64 GB empty flash memory, this ultra-compact memory system is ideal for mobile devices and applications, providing enhanced storage capabilities, streamlined data management, quick boot-up times and support for high-definition video playback. Intel UHD Graphics 600, on-processor graphics with shared video memory provide everyday image quality for internet use, basic photo editing and casual gaming. Weighs 2.54 pounds and measures 0.7 inches thin, ultra-thin and ultra-light for maximum portability. 1-year Office 365 personal subscription plus 1 TB of cloud storage included. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.